This is the market recap of 9/6/2024 NFP recap, and I'm going over what happened during NFP, why did NFP come out bullish, and this today was a really good day for me too. I did take a trade which was on a demo. I had a buy limit order right on this order block, just below this, right, and take profit above these equal highs. Why was it not over here? These are relative equal highs right over here, and market likes to go to relative equal highs. With that, so I was thinking about, okay, if the market, because during 8 a.m. I never had a setup right before 8 a.m. which is when I had a setup, right? I was like, okay, and I apologize to you guys. I did not go live. This is my misunderstanding. I was very lazy. I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I was lazy. I'll definitely from now on, if I'm not going to the gym and I'm here, I'm gonna live stream. If I don't live stream in London, I'm definitely gonna live stream in New York session, and I'm not gonna sleep fucking, because if I sleep, it's hard for me to wake up for some reason, man. I slept for like, I think right at 4 a.m. Like, I was okay, I can't trade London session because my training stats don't trade when there's London session. Because okay, now let me take a little rest. Let me take a 1 hour rest. That 1 hour landed on like a fucking, landed on a 4 hour. Then eventually I woke up at 8:20, did my validation. I put my I was barely awake, so I was like, okay, I can't take this on the real account. If I take this on the real account, I'm gonna be on a loss, right? Because my mindset, I wasn't awake before the market session, right? I was like, okay, I've been only awake for 10 minutes and I can't, my head is not positive straight, right? So let me just put a buy limit on this auto block, because if the market does do a spike, it's definitely, because the drone liquidity in a 4 hour time frame was bullish, right? The 4 drone liquidity was bullish. Fair value gap, the drone liquidity was over here. This one became wrong liquidity. 4 hour fair value gap was bullish. 4 hour box was bullish. High quality setup. And one thing with this, throughout the whole week, I never had a high quality setup until NFP. Right when NFP came in, I had a high quality setup, right? So right before NFP, what did the market do? Started rallying down, right? So like right before NFP, market started rallying down. So that's what another conflict for me. I was like, okay, market's going down, let me put a buy limit here, because if the market does do a spike, market might test my entry, push us up below that. So the market spikes down, I'm probably gonna lose more, but the things should help me low-key. You know, I shouldn't be losing more than I meant to be losing, right? So it was a 2.6 RR, 6 TP right on that, 4 equal highs. What was, you know, the all-time highs? I said again, there were relative equal highs there. And yeah, what was the lesson of this, man, is that to wake up at time, because this one I could have taken a real account. This is the only trade I had throughout the whole week, you know what I'm saying? But it was a good thing though, you know. I took a loss on, I think was on Thursday, I'm pretty sure. What was it on Thursday? It was on Wednesday when I had my loss. So that loss was not a high quality setup, so I lost that, you know what I'm saying? But throughout this whole week, I only had one setup, which was the high quality setup from NFP. But yeah, this right here actually gives me the confidence to take more news trades. This one, I'm 9-0. I'm now actually 10-0 trading news, right? Predicting news right correctly. Because every time I predict news, my boss was always correct. And yeah, this just gives me more confidence on news, to taking news. So next time, I did put a buy limit order there. So other than that, put another buy. So from now on, when I do trade news, I need all the confidence with a buy limit sort of the thing, and you know, push us below under the thing. But during that time, I woke up at 8:20. I was like, okay, I look at the market, I place a trade, I put a buy limit over there. The market goes down there, put a sell stop, right sell off the sell stop. I just went right back to sleep. I was like, okay, however it goes, when I wake up, I'll see on it, right? But it was not a funded. It was not a funded, like a funded, like real funded account. It was on a it was in a challenge. It was in a 5K challenge, which I made $100 on this, $120 I think on this trade, which was a 5K challenge, which I basically call a demo, right? So I made that, and literally with that right there, I almost passed phase 2. I just need another trade to pass phase 2, right? So yeah, and this is it, you know. It's fucking annoying though, you know what I'm saying? I will definitely from now on be more cautious, and definitely go live stream more often. And yeah, I apologize for the disappointment I made with you guys. I'll definitely come back stronger than ever. And yeah, next week we're only taking high quality so the 4 bots and 4 liquidity. I might take CPI trade. Next time I'll definitely be awake, because oh my goodness, man, this is right here is embarrassing, man. I just gotta be real with you guys. I have to say to you guys, I have to be real with you guys. But the market spiked down. You can see right over here, spiked down before going back up, so which got me in, right? So I was like, okay, I put it here. So why, you probably wondering, why did I not enter over here? So you're looking for the hourly confluence. This is the next most like closest confluence to you. Why did I interrupt that? If the market's gonna see about the liquidity, market definitely go to the order block, right? And this order block is gonna be the fucking one to like hold it off. If it doesn't hold it off, market's gonna go down, right? So yeah, and when I do my buy limit or sell limiter, I don't usually like to put it on liquidity. I don't like to buy over here on the start of the liquidity, because why there? Because there's literally no good spot to put my sell stop. Because where am I gonna put my sell stop here? I mean, if I'm gonna put it here, I have to put my sell stop all the way over here, which gives me a worse risk reward ratio, which is like I think 1.6 OR, which I don't want. So just put it on a different building block for value gap or anything because that should hold off. That should definitely hold it off more than this shit right over here, right? Definitely should hold it more than a liquidity, because liquidity, I don't know to put my sell stop until this candle closes, right? So yeah, order what do you call it, buy limit order right over here on this order block 11.0.05. market went below my order entry, got me in, sets up below here, TP right over there. But yeah, from now on, use hourly confluence to get in. It just gave me a confirmation. And before that, and I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I did not back to the NFP. I just said, man, I tried to take a 1 hour nap. That 1 hour nap turned into a whole fucking 12-hour nap, man. You know, not 12 hours sleep somehow, man. But yeah, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. I'll definitely, not miss a day again. Thank you for watching. And yeah, one trade this week, one trade I took over here was just a loss, which was not meant to be a loss because it was not a high quality setup. So yeah, I learned my lesson. When there's a major news week, I want to take high quality so the 4 bots not afford liquidity. If not, do not take a trade. Do not enter a trade. I want to take high quality setup because it's major news where market will definitely disrespect normal setups, and higher quality setups will have the power over the normal setups, right? Which was right over here. And right, so if I would have only taken one trade this whole week, I would have been in a win, right? Which was this is the only high quality setup I had throughout the whole week. Monday no setup, Tuesday no setup throughout the whole week, but Friday, which was our major news setup, right? But yeah, really lessonable thing. Just only take high quality setup throughout the whole week. Only take high quality setup when there's a major news. I'll definitely follow my rules, and yeah, be really stick to it. Hopefully, inshallah, not break my rules, but yeah, man, let's not break our rule. Let's be strict. Let's take high quality setup when there's a major news. And yeah, this trade right here almost passed phase 2 of my funded account, which that's a 5K account, which I don't care about, but I'm saying it's profit is profit. But yeah, thanks for watching.